Welcome to our latest video, where we show you how we build World War II Warbirds out of soda cans. This time, we're working on an ASM5 Zero. Let's watch. And this amazing soda can model Warbird is complete. Make sure to check out the longer tutorial video linked in the description. You'll also find it on Instructables, along with a link to the free templates to try this one for yourself. If we've piqued your interest, be sure to check out our soda can airplane tutorial video playlist link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, or comment. Thanks for watching.